To get started finding your ancestors, figure out which family members were alive in 1940. It's the most recent publicly available US census, and then search for them on Ancestry. Using the information you discover about them there, look for them in the 1930 census. Keep working your way back. 1920, 1910, 1900, 1880, 1870. As you go, round out your discoveries with birth, marriage, and death records. Like many of us, you may find compelling stories of generations of your ancestors. Now, here's a possibly surprising fact I learned from Dr. Henry Louis Gates. Prior to the Emancipation Proclamation, about 10% of the Black population in the US was free. And there were more free Blacks living in the South than in the North. So don't assume that your ancestor was enslaved through the Civil War. Once you find them in 1870, be sure to check 1860 and 1850 to see if you can find them there. If you can't, your next step is to search Freedmen's Bureau records. Don't know about that? Stay tuned. And that's Genealogy in a Minute.